Ladyzion, Sweethome, beautiful home, cooking and lifestyle.
Ladyzion, Sweethome. We cook enjoyable, delicious meals with an experience that sets the standard. Yummy cooking
These are more we do. Let's go! Ladyzion, Sweethome, beautiful home, cooking and lifestyle. Oh, building a healthy community. That is all we do. One individual at a time, ready for you every day. Always at the service, we know that I am Sweethome, beautiful home. Ladyzion, Sweethome, beautiful home, cooking a lifestyle, oh, building a healthy community. That is all we do. One individual at a time, ready for you every day. Always at the service, we know that I am Sweethome, beautiful home. Sweethome, beautiful home, cooking and lifestyle. This is more we do. We are the best, we are reliable, unbeatable. We are the best, we are tested and trusted. We are the best, we are reliable, unbeatable. We are the best, we are tested, unstoppable. Ladyzion, Sweethome, beautiful home, cooking a lifestyle, oh, building a healthy community. That is all we do. One individual at a time, ready for you every day. Always at the service, we know that I am Sweethome, beautiful home. Ladyzion, Sweethome, beautiful home, cooking a lifestyle, oh, building a healthy community. That is all we do. One individual at a time, ready for you every day. Always at the service, we know that I am Sweethome, beautiful home.
Ladyzion, Sweethome. We cook enjoyable, delicious meals with an experience that